In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add code blocks in Obsidian. Code blocks are a simple way to display programming code inside your notes with clean formatting and syntax highlighting, so your scripts and snippets stay readable and organized. First, open the note where you want the code to live. You can use an existing note or start a new one. There's nothing special to set up beforehand. Move your cursor to a fresh, empty line so the block starts cleanly. To begin the code block, type 3 backticks on a new line. Backticks are the small marks often found on the same key as the tilde on many keyboards. Immediately after those 3 backticks, without any spaces, type the name of the programming language you're using. Something like Python, JavaScript, Bash, HTML, or another supported language. This tells Obsidian which syntax highlighting rules to apply. If you leave the language off, the block will still work. It just won't colorize the syntax. Keep in mind that some languages have multiple aliases, and lowercase is usually fine. Press Enter to move into the block area, and then paste or type your code. Obsidian will preserve your indentation and line breaks, which is vital for readability and, in many languages, correctness. If your code runs long, the block can scroll horizontally, so don't worry about lines that extend beyond the page width. This monospaced section is designed for clarity, making it much easier to scan than plain text. When you're finished, close the block by typing another set of 3 backticks on a new line. Make sure the closing backticks are on their own line with no leading spaces. If you forget to close the block, everything after your code may appear formatted as code, so adding that final fence is important. Now switch to Preview, also known as Reading View, to see the code fully formatted with syntax highlighting. This view hides the editing marks and shows you exactly how the note will look, so it's a great way to confirm that your language tag and fences are correct. If something doesn't look right, jump back to editing and check the opening and closing backticks or the language name. That's it. Use code blocks anytime you want to store scripts, small snippets, configuration examples, or technical notes. You can add as many blocks as you need in a single note, keeping each snippet neatly separated and easy to find.